This week, we're talking about the new E2 VMs, packet mirroring, and climate datasets. I'm Jenny Brown, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. Google Compute Engine is a powerful tool for any cloud solution you want to build, and we want to make sure great solutions are available to everyone. To help with that, we've begun the beta program for the new E2 virtual machines. These general-purpose VMs are cost-optimized without compromising flexibility or reliability. And speaking of beta programs, we've also just launched packet mirroring to beta. Packet mirroring allows you to troubleshoot your existing virtual private clouds using third-party tools. Ensure the security and compliance of your workloads by identifying network anomalies at all levels, across VPCs, between VMs, and even down the line to your end locations. Google Public Datasets are a collection of datasets that are available at no charge to anyone wanting to explore modern data analytics or researching innovative solutions to complex problems. We're excited to be a part of this collaboration to host the latest climate simulation data in the cloud. Now researchers all around the globe can use updated and consistent environmental data models without downloading terabytes of data. The Art of SLOs is a workshop that teaches the essential elements of developing service-level objectives to audiences from dev, ops, product, and business. And now we're releasing the workshop materials under a Creative Commons license, so anyone may host their own version of this workshop to teach their coworkers or customers, best friends, you name it. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Go ahead and leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.